Yeah, in this video, we'll implement the logout functionality. Okay, so logout means already we are authenticate to the user into the sign through the Firebase, right? So I want again, if I want to uh, log in with say, another user, for example, if I want to log out from the, I want to sign up into another user, need to log out, right? So because of every time it's going to the home page only because of we are checking the authentication status. Now, if I want to log in with another account in the same application, I need to sign out from the application. Let's implement the sign out now. Here in the profile page, in the profile page, I will implement a small button as a logout. Clear? When I click on the logout, I will log out from the application. Hope is clear? Okay. Where is the profile? We have the profile page, right? The profile screen. In the profile screen, let's add a one button. Which button? Let's add a in app bar in the top right corner. I will add a one button. Okay. So there is a actions. This is new thing Sunday. So in the app bar also we can add a logout, but we can add a icons. Okay. If I add this icon in the app bar, it will add here. Did you observe here? Okay. In the app bar. So app bar till now we learned the title is enter or not. So this is the action. In the action I will add a logout button. When I click on this logout button, I will log out from the application. Clear? Clear? Huh? So now here, first of all, go to the documentation of the Firebase. In this, we can there is a we can find out the logout also. Let's run this. Let's write a code here. Okay. So currently I'm not implementing the provider here. Okay, this logic should be right in the provider or somewhere. Okay, for now I will use here only. I can use directly Firebase instance here. Async Firebase authentication, right? Dot instance. There is sign out. Is there right? Default method is there. Clear? Huh? When I click on sign out, we sign out from the Firebase. The default method is there. How will sign out? Sign in. Firebase authentication instance dot create username password is the sign up. Okay, Firebase authenticates auth dot instance dot sign in with username and password. That is another method. Sign up and sign on. This is sign out from the sign out. Okay, so in the sign out is a asynchronous method. Okay, let's put avoid. And then after that, we need to clear the local database also. Clear? Huh? How to log out from the logout database? Okay, one second. Shared preferences, right? Preferences. Shared preferences. Okay, preference dot clear is there. Okay, this will clear the all local database, local data. Okay, after this, after sign out, we have to navigate to login page, right? So navigation service dot not go back. We need to replace all right with the route constants login screen, right? So now clear also await method. Hope is clear. Here we sign out from Firebase. Sorry, sign out from Firebase. This line clear the all local storage data. Okay. This line navigate to navigate to login screen. So let me run the again. Let me run the restart again. Yeah, it's directly going to the home page. Go to the profile. We have the logout button. Now see, clear? Huh? Okay. If we are log out from that, but I need to confirm is currently log out or not from the Firebase. Let rerun again application. Okay, it should clear. Hey, proved right. So successfully we are log out from the Firebase and again log in again back to the sign in page. Hope is everyone's clear, right? So we are not use any user ID to check the current session. We are depend on the Firebase only. We are depend on the Firebase. Using the Firebase, we verify the user session. Based on the session, it will navigate to login page or home page. If it's already signed into a login, directly it's going to the home page. In the home page, in the profile section, we implemented logout button. When I click on the login logout button, we'll clear all the data in the local database along with Firebase Firebase sign out. We call the Firebase authenticate dot instance dot sign out. Hope is everyone clear? Okay, this video is covered authentication session, login and logout.